gonna go play with the sand. Ooh, I wanna play. I'm gonna step on it with my foot. Ooh, so fun. Let's play with the shovel. Okay. Oh, look, Michelle's still sleeping. Yeah, that's weird.
Oh, kids, you're up already?
Yeah, we wanted to play. Well, we shouldn't make...
Wake up Michelle. I'll go downstairs and make you guys some breakfast. Thinking of something healthy for breakfast today.
Let's go. Okay. Mommy's still sleeping. That's weird. Wait for me. Hurry. Come on, I'm gonna sit here. Okay. What's for breakfast?
So, you guys can have something breakfast. You guys can have some eggs.
Okay, we like eggs. No. Eggs are gross. I think I might try it. This is actually good. I'm getting something delicious for breakfast. Ooh, I'm gonna come too. What should we eat? Lift me up and I'll find something. Better find something delicious. I will. Ooh, what's this? Oh, look, Rice Krispie treats. Yeah, yummy. Let's eat these. These are so good. Yeah, no, this is a real breakfast.
Huh? Oh, what's this? Rice Krispie treats? Let me put these away before the kids find them.
Reese, you're there. Let's watch TV. Yeah, I'll pick the show. No, I want to. Fine, we can take turns. Okay. I like this show. Me too. What's all that noise? I'm gonna get dressed. There we go. And now I guess I'll make the bed and see if the kids are up. Huh? Oh, there's Michelle. She's still sleeping, so I'm just gonna leave her. That's weird. They're all awake. Oh, hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, Mommy. I wonder what's for breakfast. I'm gonna have, eggs. Okay, I'll just eat these. This is a great breakfast. Now I'm gonna put them away. There. Well, now I'm just gonna wash my dishes and I guess go get ready for work.
I'm just gonna get ready by brushing my teeth and my hair.
Huh? Oh, hi. Did you make breakfast for the kids?
Yeah, I didn't want them to wake you up.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Well, now I'm just gonna head to work. Can you watch the kids? Kids, you have to be good, okay? Okay.
I hear some crying. I'm gonna go get Michelle. Come on, Michelle. You can eat some breakfast. Here, you can have a banana smoothie. Yummy! All done! Oh, Michelle, you dropped your glass. Come on, you can watch TV with the girls. Oh, the room is a mess. There's sand on the floor. Well, I'm gonna clean it up for them. There we go, almost done. Now I'm gonna put the sand in a container. All done. Oh, I think Kara's here.
Oh, I hope the kids aren't being bad.
Kara, I'm coming.
this show's getting a bit boring. Yeah, let's change it.
Hi, Kara. How was your day at work?
Oh, it was good, thank you. Was the kids being good?
Yeah.
Oh, you even cleaned their room, thank you.
Oh, it wasn't hard at all.
Oh, I have a surprise for you. Come with me. First, I have to tell Deuce. Deuce, should I give her the surprise yet? You have to get up to see it. Well, Deuce said that it's okay if I showed you it by myself, so let's go outside and see it.
Okay, thank you. You didn't have to do this.
It was my pleasure. Now come on.
Okay.
It's this way. Ta-da!
Oh my God, thank you so much. You know how I love horses. This is the best.
Me and Deuce both did this together. Deuce bought all the horses and I bought the barn and stuff. Oh, these are your horses to take care of. And you also get another surprise. It's your own room. So follow me up here through this door.
I wonder what it is.
Your own room.
Wow!
So you don't have to sleep with the kids anymore. Start packing your stuff. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video.